Vegetable garden is not fulfilled without adding this tree, in my opinion. You are right, we are talking about moringa. Moringa oleifera is a plant native to northern India that can also grow in other tropical and subtropical places like Asia and Africa. Now it is also growing in USA since Indians have been widely living in several states. Leaves, flowers, seeds and roots of this plant are edible and used as superfood. Moringa has many important vitamins and minerals. The leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It also has calcium, protein, iron, and amino acids, which help your body heal and build muscle. It's also packed with antioxidants, substances that can protect cells from damage and may boost your immune system. There is some evidence that some of these antioxidants can also lower blood pressure and reduce fat in the blood and body. This can be easily grown from seeds and by stem cuttings. My plants growing here were grown from seeds. These are almost 1 year plants. The small one you see here has been replanted for few times, which impacted the growth. Although it is small compared to its sibling plant, it is growing healthy, so I'm not worried so far. We love moringa pods the most for its taste and nature of going well with all veggies and lentils, but we also love eating leaves for its medicinal values. While these trees growing, you can harvest bottom leaves by carefully pinching them without damaging the tree. You can also harvest flowers to eat if you are not looking for moringa pods, which are also called as drumsticks. Try to grow a couple of plants to have fresh organic leaves available every time you consume. These are also not at all difficult to grow. Plant them in full sun area. In winter, plants become pale by not growing as fast as in summer, but they will survive in USDA hardiness zones 9 and 10. It tolerates a wide range of soil conditions but prefers a neutral to slightly acidic, well drained, sandy, and loamy soil. This tree is almost 10 feet tall with healthy flowers. Can't wait to see it developing drumsticks and harvest delicious pods. Now you are looking at sorrel plants. We are going to harvest these leaves and hot chilies to make chutney. This is our today's harvest, friends. Hope you learned new thing about moringa. Try growing it in your garden or in patios in containers. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.